All right, here we go with 5th grade Excel, lesson 38. We're going to be looking at lowest common multiple today. That's the biggie. And then doing some other stuff at the end. But lowest common multiple, brand new idea here for you today, unless it's review from last year. Lowest common multiple of 3 and 4. Multiples are numbers that we say when we skip count. They are the answers to the multiplication problems that involve a 3 and a 4. So the multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, and they keep going forever and ever. And if you have the Rock and the Standard song, you have that memorized, this becomes real easy because you can just sing these and write them down. And then the multiples of 4, we have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, and so on. So the lowest common multiple is the lowest number that both of these lists have in common. In other words, what is the lowest number that's in both lists? And if we look along here, we notice that we come across the number 12. That's a common multiple. 24 is in both lists. 36 is in both lists. But the lowest common multiple, the lowest number that's in both lists, is 12. So the answer is 12. All right, let's take a look at some more problems. Lowest common multiple of 2 and 6. Here are the multiples of 6, 6, 12, 18, 24. Multiples of 2, 2, 4, 6, 8. Well, we don't have to put 8 down there, but the lowest number that shows up in both lists is a 6. All right, let's go ahead and go on to number 2. We'll do this one together. Going to do the multiples of 3 first. You don't have to write the number 3 and then write it again the way they have it here. Just put 3, and then the next one is 6 and 9. And then the multiples of 2, 2, 4, 6. You can see we have a 6 in both lists, so that's 6. If you didn't write that yet, go ahead and write that down. And then I'd like you to pause the video and try just number 3 on your own. Turn it back on when you're ready to see the solution to that one. All right, you should have listed the multiples of 6, 6, 12, 18, 24. And then the multiples of 8, 8 and 16, 8 and 16, 24. Oh, and then we get a 24 in both lists. And the answer is 24. All right, pause the video, try number 4. Turn it back on when you're ready to see the solution. You do have to show this, by the way. You have to show your work on there. So you should have listed 6, 12, 18, 4. You have 4, 8, 12. You don't really have to put the 18 there because we do hit 12 right there. We don't really need the 18. So the answer is 12, lowest common multiple. All right, and then let's go on to something new here. Got some multiplication problems that involve 2 digits, trying to memorize our 11s and our 12s. 9 times 12 is 108. And you can multiply it like this. If you don't know how to do it in your head, 2 times 9 is 18. That's equal to 10. Hopefully you can just memorize these, but go ahead and solve the rest of them. Turn the video back on when you're ready to see the solution. All right, here are your answers. Right there, pause the video to check your work. I'm going to move on, but you need to pause the video now. And here we are with some division problems. What we're going to try to do on these is mentally figure out the remainder. So I don't want to see any show work down here. You're just going to do it in your head. Do it in your head. Write the answer only on the top line without showing any of your work. I know I always tell you to show your work, but on these they're telling you to mentally subtract and find the remainder. So they're telling you, no, we don't want you to actually use your pencil for this one. 8 into 49, this is how you do it. 8 times 6 is 48. That's 1 away from 49, so the answer is 6, remainder 1. See if you can do the rest just like that. Pause the video, turn it back on when you're ready for the solutions. All right, 4 goes into 38 9 times, that's 36, so you have a remainder of 2. 7 times 6 is 42, so you have a remainder of 5. 8 times 4 is 32, so you have a remainder of 3. 6 times 8 is 48, so you have a remainder of 2. And 6 times 6 is 36, so you have a remainder of 3. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.